Hi everyone and welcome to another episode of Chow with Lau, and today I'm going to show you how to make this. This is my extra quick and really easy version of Char Siu roast pork. So if you don't have the time to make the full thing, this one's for you and it's just as tasty. So stick around guys, this one is good. I really love Chinese Char Siu roast pork, but I don't always have the time to make a whole joint of it. This method will show you how to make it really quickly and really easily, but still keep that amazing flavour. So for this recipe, I'm using pork medallions, but you can use pork chops if you prefer. So for the marinade, you're going to need 2 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of yellowbean sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of 5 spice powder, 3 cloves of garlic peeled and crushed, and 1 thumb-sized piece of ginger peeled and sliced finely, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and finally a tablespoon of rice wine, but this is optional. First add your 5 spice powder, then add in your ginger and your garlic. Then add in your yellowbean sauce and your hoisin sauce, and then your honey, your light soy sauce, the dark soy sauce, and your rice wine. Give it a good mix so that the pork is totally coated in the marinade. Then cover with cling film and pop in the fridge for half an hour, longer if you can. Place in a suitable baking tray and spoon over the remaining marinade. Then place in a preheated oven at gas mark 4 or 180 degrees centigrade for 35 to 40 minutes.
Now the serious bit, the tasting.
Right everybody, as my young assistant says, it's the serious business of tasting, okay? Right. Oh wow. That is like just like a fully fledged Char Siu roast pork. I'm just having it with a really simple steamed rice, garnished with a few spring onions. And getting that sweet barbecue flavour from the hoisin sauce, saltiness from the yellowbean sauce. You don't have to add any of the salt, and the pork is lovely and tender. Wow, this is good for a 35-40 minute cooking time. So quick, and the marinade's only half an hour. Perfect. Would you like to try some? Okay. Yeah, take a little bite of that. What do you think? You like it? Oh, you want the rest of it? Wow. Okay. I guess that's a seal of approval. But like I said before, if you don't have enough time, this is something you could do on a weekday evening. You could even prep it the night before if you have that time. But it's so quick to do. You don't have to spend the time of doing a whole roast pork joint sort of time to do this. And it is equally delicious and super for any occasion, and really, really tasty and tender. What more could you ask for? Okay, so hopefully you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider giving us a He's got his mouth full. Subscribe, like and comment. Give me some ideas for some new videos. Any suggestions would be amazing. And hopefully we'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Bye.
Not really funny. Yeah, nice. You enjoy it? Yeah? Good boy.